Hello Leos, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you and your person. So on one side will be your energies, on the other side will be the energies of the person you're dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. Please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. So let's see what's there for Leos. So for Leos, on your side we have the Fool card. Okay, what's on your person's side? Let's see what's on your person's side. So on your person's side we have the Ace of Wands. Beautiful. The most likely outcome. Oof, the Five of Wands. Okay, so you're starting beautifully. Both of you have a new beginning. With the Fool card, somebody here is actually taking the leap of faith and let destiny guide them. Definitely a new beginning. Here also with the Ace of Wands, it's again a new beginning on this side with a lot of passion. Okay, but the most likely outcome is the Five of Wands. Some sort of disagreement, some sort of conflict. Let's see. The vibe which I'm getting here is that maybe both of you, it's a new person you have met. Okay, so maybe that is what it is. Some sort of disagreements are there. It can be there. Let us see when we have the clarifiers though. But yes, what that is what I'm getting. Maybe this is a new person. You don't know this person from a long time. Okay. Anyway, let's see what it is all about. So let's see what is this Fool card here for. So for the Fool card, we have the Tower, the Justice, that's weird, and the Magician. All the major cards, and the Fool too is the major card. What I feel here is that some unexpected decision has come, perhaps, which is leading or helping you to manifest a new beginning. It's really weird, really. I'll take the clarifiers later on. I don't feel like taking them now. I'll take more cards for this if I need to, but that's what I'm getting here. Anyway, let's see what is this Ace of Wands there on your person's side. So for the Ace of Wands, we have the Nine of Cups, the Ace of Swords, and the Ten of Swords. Okay. For the Five of Wands, this is the most likely outcome. Let's see what is there for the Five of Wands as the most likely outcome. So for the Five of Wands, we have the Seven of Cups, the Ten of Pentacles, the Ten of Cups, and this one also wanted to come out, the Eight of Pentacles. Okay. Okay, so here what I feel is that this new beginning is obviously as you've just started afresh from something. So what I feel here is some unexpected decision has come in. Definitely an unexpected decision. That's what I feel. There is something which has been revealed, or unexpected truth has come in. Something has come which is really unexpected, and to me it looks more like a decision. It can be just in your own mind or in your own life, not necessarily concerned with this person, but though it may be concerned with this person, but yes, some unexpected decision has come in your life which has led you towards a different sort of a life or a new beginning. Okay, so maybe there was crash down of something and you realize that now you have to start from a zero. It's something like that. You have to start from a scratch, and maybe that is what the Fool card is also about. It's from the beginning, as I said. That's what I'm getting. Like whatever was there has just fallen off, and maybe you are trying to perhaps balance the situation now. It can be that also. and trying to manifest a new life for yourself. So it can go both ways. It can be some unexpected realization or a decision has come in which is forcing you or propelling you towards a new beginning, which is starting from a scratch. Okay, or maybe it can be some truth or a decision has come in, or it can be just that now you're trying to sort out your life for whatever unexpected has happened and you are trying to have a new beginning. It can be anything. And here on your person side, but one more thing I would like to say is whatever this unexpected, even if it is an unexpected decision which has come in or whatever it has happened, it has led to a total closure or a cut down of whatever was there previously. And whatever now you are starting is totally new and totally from the scratch. It's something like that. Here we have the Ace of Wands. For the Ace of Wands, we have the Nine of Cups, the Ace of Swords, and the Ten of Swords. So definitely some cycle has completed on this aspect also. Somebody is totally done with something, and this person is also has some sort of a new beginning in their life towards their wish fulfillment. Okay, so whatever this new beginning is a wish fulfillment, and this person, whosoever this is also having a new beginning after completion of something which was going on in their life also. Okay, so there was something, they were dealing with something which they have completed and dealt with, and now they are also moving in towards you for a new beginning. And for the Five of Wands, as a most likely outcome, what I feel is it doesn't seem to be anything really great, but yes, it is just seems to be with the Seven of Cups, there seems to be a confusion or an indecision regarding this Ten of Cups, the Ten of Pentacles, and the Eight of Pentacles. So what I feel here is this disagreement or argument is just about that somebody here, or maybe both of you, somebody here is not able to make up your mind regarding a commitment. With the Ten of Pentacles and the Ten of Cups, one of you is more serious on the commitment side, and one of the other person is a little more hesitant, and at least for now they are not able to make up their mind, or they are just choosing or just thinking, or they are confused, whatever it is. Okay, but the thing is, and with the Eight of Pentacles, though both of you are working hard towards this relationship and you want it to be that way, but the thing is the other person is not making up their mind. I'm not saying that they are not interested in making up their mind, but maybe as for now there may be some reasons that they are not making up their mind, or they are not able to make up their mind, and which is causing these disagreements between both of you, maybe arguments or something like that. And let's see, is there anything else for Leos? Okay, we have the Nine of Pentacles, the Eight of Swords, the Hangman, Page of Pentacles, the Seven of Wands, the Five of Swords, and the Strength, the Star. So what I feel here is with the Nine of Pentacles, Eight of Swords, and the Hangman, there has been a situation in one of you's life with the Nine of Pentacles, Eight of Swords, and the Hangman. In this situation or some other situation independently in your lives before you met each other, there was something which was totally holding you back, and this situation was just not moving. It was not helping you in any way. You were just feeling imprisoned and caged in this situation because things were just not moving forward. And with the Nine of Pentacles, you have really worked hard on yourself, you really invested in yourself and focused on your self-healing. Whosoever this situation is resonating to you or them, it was just because of you were just like the prisoner of your thoughts or prisoner of whatever it was, due to previous experiences, and the situation was not moving forward. You really have focused on yourself, heal yourself. With the Page of Pentacles, the Seven of Wands, it's like little bit of small steps were taken, then with the Seven of Wands, somebody has totally given up the struggle over here as to deal with the situation which was not moving forward. With the Page of Pentacles, things were just not moving. Only it was a little bit of an investment from whosoever side it was. With the Five of Swords, again it was some sort of conflict there also, or maybe in this situation previously at some point in time, but or maybe both of you have now started new. It can be that, but what I feel here is it is something related to before you met each other, though it can go anyway. And with the strength and the star card, definitely this situation required a lot of strength on your part to deal with, and it is now you just wish that you, what I am getting here is, you really want your wishes to be fulfilled, and the wishes which you want to be fulfilled are that you really want that there should be some sort of an action from the other person. Okay, since things were just not moving forward, it was taking a toll on you. Okay, that was the cause of maybe this was the reason of the tower also. It can be that for whosoever it is. But then here also we have the tower. Here also somebody has completed something, some cycle in their life. So it can be on anybody's side, or maybe it was on it in this relationship or the previous ones, I don't know. But yes, that was the additional message for you, to whosoever side it resonates with. Let's see what is the message from the universe. Turn on your heart light. Number 36 may be of some significance for you. Reflect on a time when you experienced love. So you just need to lighten yourself. You just need to lighten in the sense, just have that light mood, and don't take the carry or take the burden of the past. That's all is the guidance from you, and you have to just go back to the past when you felt love. So try to be positive. That's it, and be light. Don't carry the baggage of the past, Leos. So that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.